doing? Are you playing?
Yeah.
Are you playing airplane with your raisins?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just make sure you chew them up well.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at Asha.
I see, Asher.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Not too much when you have food in your mouth, though. Okay. I wouldn't want you to choke. That's better. Thank you.